Hello, once again, this is Inspiration Kulot. Welcome to my page, Inspiration Kulot. If you are new to my page, please follow so that every time I upload new videos like inspirational videos, you will be notified and be updated. Uh, Here again, I want to share with you uh, the another good article that you must know. Continue watching this video, and I found this article from the Facebook page of Dr. Fami. And know that he is not the author of this article. He just shared this to his Facebook account. Facebook page. This is really a good article. Start now. Don't leave anything for later. 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 The coffee gets cold. Later you lost interest. Later the day turns into night. Later people grow up. Grow up. Later people grow old. Later life goes by. Later you regret not doing something when you had the chance. Life is a fleeting chance, a delicate balance of moments that unfold before us, never to return in quite the same way again. Regret is a bitter pill to swallow, a weight that bears down upon the soul with a burden of missed chances and, and unspoken words. So let not leave anything for later. Let us seize the moments as they come, with hearts open and arms outstretched. For in the end, it is not the things we did that we regret, but the things we left undone, the words left unspoken, the, the dreams left unfulfilled. And that's all. The title of this article is Before the Coffee Gets Cold. This is a 2015 novel by Toshikazu Kalinguni. Sorry guys for my pronunciation because I am a busy. Yeah. Hello, if you know, don't leave anything for later. That's the point, that strike while the iron is hot. Strike without dessert. And when you drink a cold coffee, it's no longer taste bad. Uh, the the best. I really, it really touched this. It touched me. This line. Uh, Regret is a bitter pill to swallow. Ang pait, para daw medisina na pag tinitake ng pait-pait ba. No? Regret. And life is a fleeting chance, a delicate balance of moments that unfold before us, never to return in quite the same way again. Huwag mo nang balikan yun na na failure ka. Huwag mong balikan yan. Ha? Later, later, you regret that not doing something. Later, you regret not doing something when you had the chance. Na mag-regret tayo na hindi natin nagawa yung dapat natin gawin habang may chance pa tayong gagawin yan. Lalo na yung mahal mo yung isang tao, hindi mo nasabihan na mahal mo pala siyang taon na yan hanggang sa siya ay namatay o ikaw ay namatay. Diba? That's good. So, thank you. If you share naman para maraming makalam at marami tayong matulungan na bawal ang later na dapat strike while higher is that. This is Inspiration Kulot. God bless us.